Darwin, thank you so much to sending RJ over here. He's the best mechanic I ever seen. He had so much experience with Isuzu, and yeah, thank you so much. We have fun together over here. We work together as a teammate. I learned so many things which I didn't know. Everything. Thank you so much.
Darwin, happy birthday. I hope you have a great day.
Happy birthday, Darwin.
Hi, Darwin, and happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, mate. Have a great day.
Happy birthday, Darwin.
Happy birthday from RJ and all your friends.
Happy birthday, Sir Darwin. I wish you all the best. Just as how you hope what's best for me. And I probably wouldn't be here kung hindi ko in-absorb lahat ng pangaral mo because you were a dad figure. Nandyan pa ako sa Isuzu. Anyway, you deserve everything's good. See you. Cheers.
Sir Dar, happy birthday and more power to you. Stay good health and God bless you. Enjoy the day. Cheers.
Happy birthday, Sir Darwin. Stay healthy and stay foggy. Ingat palagi.
Hello Sir Darwin, kamusta po? Gusto ko lang pong batiin kayo ng happy blessed birthday po sa inyo. Maraming salamat po sa mga itinuro niyo sa akin. Tsaka sa mga panahon na magkasama po tayo sa Isuzu Pasig hanggang doon po sa Isuzu Midis. Maraming salamat po sa mga gabay ninyo. Dalangin ko po na magkaroon kayo ng magandang kalusugan tsaka mga more blessings pa po sa inyong darating pang ibang birthday. Deserve nyo po yung maging yung kung ano po yung narating nyo ngayon, deserve nyo po ngayon dahil sa napaka masikasid nyo pong empleyado ng Isuzu. Muli po, happy birthday po. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Ingat po kayo dyan.
Hello Sir Dar. Kamusta po? Happy birthday po and more birthdays to come po sa inyo. Stay healthy at salamat po sa tulong niyo sa akin ng hard time ko. Yun lang.
Hello Sir Darwin, happy birthday. More birthdays to come and maraming salamat sir sa mga payo. Saka po sa mga idol ko sir na tinitingala. Salamat sir.
Hi Sir Dar. I-greet ka lang namin ng isang maligayang kaarawan ngayong araw na to. We wish you long life and stay healthy. We are so grateful na ikaw yung naging boss namin ni Mon, and very grateful na naging part ka ng buhay namin mag-asawa ng mag-anak. Stay blessed as always and blessing to others. Maraming salamat Sir Dar sa guidance and understanding sa amin. And again, happy birthday po. Again.
Happy birthday, Sir Dar!
Bye!
Bye!
Hi Sir Dar, happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Wish you all the best. And again, maraming salamat sa tulong tayo na binigay sa akin. I hope you enjoy your day. Thanks sir.
Hi Sir Darwin, happy birthday po. Thank you for English pa, hindi. Yun lang. Thank you sa lahat po. Lalo na sa pagiging father figure niyo po sa akin. And stay healthy. Always put everything in. Thank you po. God bless sir. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Boss Darwin! More birthdays to come. Stay healthy and God bless.
Happy birthday, Sir Darwin!
Happy birthday, Sir Dar! Sana ay mabusog mo kami. Happy birthday, Sir Dar! Happy birthday, Sir Dar! From your service frontliner, Boss Darwin.
Happy birthday! Yay!
Happy birthday, boss!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Sir Darwin. I wish you good health, more patience with your service team, and a lot of off-site URs. Happy birthday again, and somebody wants to wish you also happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Dada!
Birthday, Dada!
Happy birthday, Dada! I hope you're having a great day and celebrating